Hi, friends. How are you? Happy Wednesday, my dudes.
Oh no, that's an actual thing in here. Oh, they're here. Hold on.
One.
Hold on.
Yeah, I have a machete. Just let him run into the spikes. Oh, but he's running away. Oh, yeah. Oh, well,
If I can actually
he's coming.
hit.
I have my machete. It's fine. Oh, well, stop moving, dude. Can I?
Yes, I
Can I?
promise.
Can I go get him? Ooh. Oh! I am so proud of you.
That was so good.
Hey.
See, guys, I promise. I only use a bow in Skyrim. I'm trying to make clean water.
Oh, that was so close.
Did you almost step in the
Yep, I
tripwire?
sure did. I sure did.
Did you almost step in the tripwire?
I did. I did.
Oh, I almost stepped in it too. Oh my god.
Oh.
Sorry. Didn't mean to point an arrow at you. You want to go to the camp over there?
Yeah,
New adventure? Are you giving something to me?
I tried.
What were you trying to give to me?
A squirrel head?
Why?
I don't
Do you
know.
think this water's... Oh, why is the water still dirty?
Just boil it.
I was.
Right, Olivia? Right.
Right. Wait, no. No, you
Someone
tricked me into
fucking
that.
clip that. Someone
You
clip
tricked
that.
me into that. I don't like the egg.
She loves the egg. She
I
finally
don't love the
admitted it.
egg. I don't love the egg.
Weldon, will you please clip that? Olivia saying yes to the egg. I mean, we have to collect that. That was so good.
No. I don't like the egg.
Oh no! Oh no! I need the machete. Ah, oh no! Well, well, well. Wait, no warning by Gila? I literally yelled. "Behind you!" Right? It's so fucking scary. Oh, it is Dorian. That's good. Olivia,
Oh my god. Oh my.
why did Voltage say?
There's so many here. Helena, watch out.
Well,
Get your stuff.
but.
Get your stuff.
I'm running.
Yes, run. Run. There's more here. The egg looks like Nikocado avocado. Okay, I wouldn't go that far.
Okay, that's just rude.
I wouldn't go that far. Okay, we can go back. I have arrows. Thank you for the bits and for the big gale. Thank you.
Thank you, Frelden. Are you good, Olivia? Are you safe? Was that the camp we tried to?
Yep.
The one with the club is scary. If I just had like a longer sword, it would be fine. Oh, be careful. Monkeys!
Those are just other cannibals.
But there's like a monkey guy thing.
I'm out of arrows.
It's fine. I can take it on like one at a time.
Let's just go
Wait,
back
she's
here
coming,
for
so
a
I'm
second.
gonna protect you. She's coming towards us.
Alright.
Someone's crying. Also, there's someone to our left, behind you, behind you.
Behind me?
Yeah, there's like the monkey attacking thing.
It's also a moose.
Yeah. Lots of things going
Wait,
on right
maybe
now.
this was a bad idea,
Yeah,
but
let's
we
just-
do need supplies.
I protect Olivia. I hick and I protect. Or
Yes.
I protect and hick.
Indeed. Okay, best bet base, treehouse treehouse base? The cannibals can't reach you. Yeah, but can't they just cut down the tree?
Yeah, that's what I thought. For Elden.
I need a longer sword. Oh! Ferelden!
I mean, that's fair.
Wait. We need supplies though over there.
But what if we both have like machetes and then do like maybe one at a time? I don't know.
Yes. I'm also trying to see if there's anything. I don't think I have anything that could be made. Like, I have no alcohol. So I can't
Alcohol.
make, like, Molotovs.
What is this? That's a house?
There's a house?
That's a house?
That's the camp.
Oh, that's their camp. Oh.
Is that the same camp?
Is
Or is
it-
that a different camp? That's the same camp. We went in a circle.
Oh.
Let's go.
Okay. I'm checking behind. Looks good. Yeah, let's see if we can lure like one of. Okay, I got it. I got it.
Nice, 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 nice. You know what the best part about us doing a camp is? We're gonna spawn at this camp.
Yeah, so like it's fine. Okay, we got one.
Alright, okay, next one, next one, next one. They're coming, they're coming,
Okay.
they're coming.
Just bait it. Just bait it. I got it from behind. Oh, he evaded so good. Come on, Olivia. Come
Nice.
on. Oh my god, so stressed.
Why'd you play Dutch Barbie Girl?
Dutch barbecue? Is that even a thing? There's also a lady kind of behind us, so maybe we should take on this.
Oh wait,
This-
no, this one's tied up. We can just kill.
Oh,
this one.
okay. Okay. Oh no, she's crying.
Lewis, Helena is not Dutch.
I'm offended. There's one over here, Olivia. Okay, but
Okay.
where are you? Why are you running? Why are you running? I need to chop you up. Why?
Okay, aggression is good. That's fine.
No, she ran. She's too fast.
Wait, why did
Oh my god, William, hello. Nice of you to join after.
I protect? I protect this time. Oh. 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 No, no, no. Oh, well. Well, gotta go protect Helena. Thanks for joining us.
Oh.
So you died. I died twice, and I accidentally let a creature out into the woods.
Olivia, what happened?
A lot happened. I need quenchy munchies
Don't eat the
right
quenchy
now.
munchies. Wait, where are you?
Okay,
I'm also here. I'm ready. Okay, there's only one
Come
woman.
here, come on, come at me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we're
I
good.
got
We
it,
did
I
it,
got
we
it.
did it, we did it, we did it. We did it.
Please die. My god. Okay, so.
Alright, shall we try another camp?
Sure.
Oh wait, this isn't the same camp.
It isn't?
The other camp's up here.
Oh, but it had the house.
That's why there's so many of them. There is a creature somewhere.
Wait, did Lewis actually think me and Philip would dodge?
I don't know. I don't know. He might have thought that you guys were done.
What? Why did Voltix jail me? Excuse me.
Because of the thick thighs comment, I think.
What thick thighs? He's the one who brought up thick thighs. I hear frogs, and I'm so into it. Hello?
Oh wait, so there's a camp down there. Right here. Oh! With the moose.
Who cares about a moose? Other than the fact it can, like, kill you instantly. There's many mooses. Oh my god, nice. At least they
I
have,
now have a vodka bottle.
they at least have good taste in music.
Helena?
What? Oh no! Are you joking?
Wait, did you pick it up?
No, I didn't. Did you?
You can have that.
Oh, but
Oh, wait, we can both
we can
have-
both have it.
Oh my god, we're about to.
Oh,
Oh!
oh no, not again. Where'd you go?
Crashes in.
Meow, meow, meow. Moose.
My god, you can jump with them.
Oh.
My god, we're having way too much fun with this.
Whoa. Oh. 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 Well,
Oh. I can't drive.
my character's like really thirsty and really tired.
I mean, we can't sleep here.
Can we? Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Lol. You last Sumis. I'll sure do.
Oh wait, it's not time. It's not nighttime.
Yeah.
I mean, we could just bring these back to camp.
Yeah, let's do that. These are great.
Okay. Thank you for the hydrate.
Also, there's a monkey cannibal coming on over, so we should probably beat it.
You want to beat the cannibal? Sorry.
I meant like, let's leave.
No,
Okay.
No, I know. Yeah, no, I'm sorry.
Thank you for the hydrate shade, and thank you for the lurk.
You ready?
I
You gotta follow
think.
me.
Okay, I'll try. Come on,
Well,
William. Oh, did I just drive into you?
You might have.
Oh my god.
Oh, oh, oh!
Are you good? Oh, all of these trees.
Wait, where is it?
Just turn. Why can't I control this? Stop.
I mean, I'm just gonna walk it back.
No, where's the fun in that?
Honestly, fair.
My god. It's insane. Oh. It's amazing how I crash more into the trees than like avoid them. What?
Landed in a tree. Yeah, I've used the golf carts before, Voltic.
Oh my god, I made it. Oh my god, that was like the coolest shit ever. Oh my god.
Are you kidding? I can die as much as I want.
Yeah, go right ahead. Oh my god. That is fantastic.
There we go. You are not an idiot, Voltic.
That's so funny. No water. How nice. Just gonna drink some dirty old water.
Look at us go.
It's so much fun. Hey, you're back. Nice.
How am I supposed to? Oh. There's a TV thing this way
There is
on the map, yeah.
TV.
Use the middle mouse button to zoom out. Do you see like a blinking
Oh.
blue?
No, I don't. I mean, I see the. Is it like the path or?
No, it's like a blue blinking TV. I say when after we sleep.
Yeah.
Although, how much later are you playing?
Well, actually, I think
I just
when
realized
we.
what time it was. Yeah.
Yeah, I think after this one, I'm gonna go to bed.
Fair, 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 fair.
But honestly, we need to play this soon.
Yeah. And not wait months.
No. My God.
That's.
Is
Is there anything we need to do? No. Let's go nice. Let me save.
Yeah. Save.
Save.
There we
Sleep.
go.
And then I'll
Nice.
save again in the morning because I'm crazy. Wait. Why do we wake up in the middle of the night? Oh, because I'm hungry and thirsty.
Oh.
That's I was like, why?
That's funny though.
Why is this happening?
Oh my God, William. Hi. I'm sorry, William. William. You have returned.
Alright, now we can go night.
Keep.
Oh, wait. It's saying it's morning.
Oh, well, it is fall, so I guess it's not as bright in during the morning hours anymore.
I almost stepped in the trap. Okay, I saved.
Okay. Well, thank you for playing with me, Olivia.
Thank you.